Hi everyone, Anat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you 3 interactive mini album page ideas. So all pages are measured 6 3/4 by 6 3/4, and the first one is a simple side corner pocket. So first let's cover our page with a 6 by 6 paper, and I'm going to make the corner pocket from a circle. So you can make it from a square or a circle like me. This measures around 3.5 inches. And what you want to do is only apply glue to the left and bottom sides, leaving the top and the right side completely free to insert things. And next you simply add embellishments, and you have your page ready. So apply the glue to the bottom and left side only, and then add embellishments on the pocket without interfering with the entrance, with the opening of the pocket. So only apply or attach those embellishments in a way that they won't interfere with inserting tags, photos, and other things that you want to insert into the pocket. So I'm cutting 2 little tags that can fit inside my pocket, and this is the first page for you to make a corner pocket. You can make the pocket also on the right side if you want. The next page is a flap. So you need to cut 6 3/8 by 9 square and fold it in half. This one is too big. So now it's 6 3/8 by 9. And then apply glue to the bottom of the left side of this flap, and then attach it to the right side of the page, aligning it with the edge. And now you have a flap on your page. All you need to do now is cover the flap on both sides with cover papers. You decide if you want to cover the page with an entire 6 by 6 paper, or you want to cut it to strips and make a collage. So I'm going to do a combination of both. So this is a 6 by 6 paper, and I'm also going to make a few strips of paper for the flap on both sides. So I'm just measuring to see how long I should make it, and then I'm cutting it to 4 inches by 6. Then I can attach it to my flap. And when you come to cover papers and pages, you can use your imagination. It depends on what you have in your stash, what kind of papers you like, what photos you're going to put in your mini album. Are they going to be for travel? Are they for somebody specific, for a holiday? That will determine what kind of papers you are going to use. So this one is 6 by 2 inches. And again, you can use any size strips you want as long as they all measure 6 inches in length. And the width can change according to whatever collage you want to make. I'm going to add a little flower, some embellishments, and this is a matter of taste, how you want to embellish your pages. For the other side of the flap, again, I'm going to cover it with 2 pieces, maybe 1 piece. This one is left from the page that I cut for the other side of the flap. So 1 piece will be enough. Maybe I'll add another one. Cutting it to 2 inches by, no, it's 1 3/4. This one measures 3/4 by 6. But again, you don't have to use the measurements I'm using. Just make sure that you cover the entire page. The final interactive mini album page idea I want to show you is an inside flap. This one is a whole page flap, and now we're going to make an inside smaller flap, so it's a different kind of flap. So I'm just going to finish embellishing my page, and then we can go ahead and do that. Just a little bit of fussy cutting. Again, you can use stickers if you don't like fussy cutting, or just pattern papers, and if they're busy enough, you don't even need to add more embellishments, so it's up to you. Another little butterfly, and then we can go ahead and make our next interactive page. Okay, so now I'm going to cover my page with a 6x6 paper, cover paper, and then I'm going to take a 6 2/8 by 4 piece of white cardstock and fold it in half. And this piece is basically a flap, and I'm going to attach it to my page. I want to cover it on the front and on the inside. You don't need to cover it on the back, because of course the back will be glued to the page. So this is the third type of interactive mini album. I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. So I'm covering the inside of my flap, and I'm using a few pieces of paper to make sure the entire space is covered. And you can use photos instead of papers to cover it. And then apply glue to the bottom of your flap, and then attach it to your page. You can add more embellishments if you want, or photos of course, or even some text, sentiments, stickers, depending on how busy your page is and how you want to continue with your mini album. So I hope you like these 3 ideas for interactive mini album page ideas, and I will see you next time.